Now, how do you write some text or add a writing on a video through the iPhone? And let's get into it. So there are actually more ways how you can achieve this. Obviously, make sure you have your video ready in the gallery where you can, of course, see all of your videos and everything. But for the text edition, you need to have some sort of video editor ready. So a lot of people would stick with iMovie, where you have technically the ability to add a text by selecting the clip on the timeline, clicking the T, and choose one of these styles right here and add your text there. But it's not very professional, I would say. So if you need to get more out of your videos and iPad, I recommend you to get a different video editor. For example, I usually recommend people to get the CapCut. And CapCut is good. It works for free for the most part. And in there, you can basically import all of your clips into a timeline. It's much more professional. It might look, that it's too complicated, but it's pretty much just simple. You add your clips there, click on add a text, write in whatever you want. You can even choose multiple different styles and whatnot, and then just move it around with the clips, and you're basically good to go. You then just export that video and you have the text added over your video. So there's like a writing on the top of that. So yeah, that's how it works. If you ask me, I use it all the time. It's not like I'm showing you something which I don't use. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.